Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login plugin, to configure StackExchange app. On WordPress dashboard, go on Mini Orange Social Login plugin. Click on StackExchange. We will go through this instruction in this video. Go on StackExchange developer link. Fill up all app detail. Enter application name. Give description for your application. Enter your auth domain. For application, go to instruction. Copy website URL. Paste it in application website. Enable client-side auth flow. Click register your application. Copy client ID and paste it in app ID field. Next, copy client secret and paste it in app secret field. Next, copy key and paste it in key field. Now save it. And then click on test configuration. Here approve your StackExchange app. User attribute of StackExchange will get display here. Now go to your StackExchange icon. Here you will get an option to enable and disable custom app. Open new tab, go on login page. On login form, click on StackExchange icon. You will get successfully logged into the website. This will create new account using StackExchange attribute. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.